In this video I'm going to show you how to make a calculation in a Geogebra file in the graphics window and have it display so that as things are clicked and dragged the calculation is updated as you move things. Alright, so what I've got is a triangle with the angles measures already calculated, and I would like to show that the sum of the measure of these angles is 180 degrees. So the way I'll do that is I'm going to go down to this input bar and I'm going to enter alpha, beta, and gamma, the angle measures for A, B, and angle C. And I'm going to click this little alpha symbol, and then I get alpha plus beta plus gamma, and then just hit enter. And delta equals 180 appears in the algebra window. And if I mouse over it, you can see that that's alpha plus beta plus gamma. But it'd be better to have that displayed somewhere in the graphics window. To do that, click on Insert Text. And the text I'd like to insert is the measure of angle. And where I got that angle symbol is from Symbols, Basic, and right there's angle. So the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C is equal to, and I would like it to display alpha, beta, and gamma as objects so that way they update when I click and drag points in the triangle. So I'll do that from the Objects menu, alpha plus beta plus gamma, and then equals delta. And this box indicates that we've got objects here, and those objects will update their measures when we click and drag. And you can see down here a preview of what it looks like. And we've got our text here. As I move objects, the angle measures are changing, and the text is updated automatically. Alright, if I was going to publish this on Geogebra Tube, I probably would not display the algebra window, so you can close that here if you did want to reopen it under View Algebra. Alright, so that's how you can create a calculation in Geogebra and have it display in the graphics window.